Have you ever wondered how the very tools that aid our progress could also harm our planet? From the first steam engine to the latest smartphone, technological advancements have always come at a cost. In this video, we'll explore the often overlooked connection between technological progress and its unintended environmental consequences. Join us as we journey through history and into the present, examining the significant technological advancements and their profound impact on our planet. The Industrial Revolution, a period of unprecedented technological advancement, marked a turning point in our relationship with the environment. Coal-powered factories, while driving progress, released plumes of harmful gases into the atmosphere. These emissions, laden with pollutants, darkened the skies above industrial cities and laid the groundwork for the environmental challenges we face today. The invention of the automobile revolutionized transportation, but it also marked the beginning of our dependence on fossil fuels. The internal combustion engine, while a marvel of engineering, releases greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. As our roads become increasingly congested, the exhaust fumes from millions of vehicles continue to impact the delicate balance of our atmosphere. Advancements in agriculture, driven by technology, have allowed us to produce food for a rapidly growing population. However, the widespread use of pesticides and fertilizers has come at a steep environmental price. These chemicals, while increasing crop yields, seep into our soil and waterways, polluting the very resources we depend on for survival. The rapid growth of the human population, a testament to advancements in medicine and agriculture, has placed an unprecedented strain on our planet's resources. As we consume more energy, water and raw materials, our ecological footprint expands. This unsustainable consumption pattern, driven by technological progress, raises profound questions about the limits of our planet's carrying capacity. The production of the modern world leaves behind a trail of waste. Factories, while producing the goods we consume, generate byproducts that often end up polluting our environment. The accumulation of non-biodegradable materials, such as plastics, poses a significant threat to our ecosystems, highlighting the unintended consequences of our throwaway culture. Our insatiable appetite for energy-intensive technologies, from air conditioning to data centers, fuels the demand for fossil fuels. While these technologies improve our lives in countless ways, they contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and exacerbate climate change. As our reliance on these technologies grows, we must find innovative solutions to meet our energy needs without compromising the health of our planet. From the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, our technological advancements have brought both progress and unintended consequences. As we continue to innovate, how can we ensure that our advancements do not come at the expense of our planet? Embracing sustainable solutions, promoting responsible consumption and investing in renewable energy are crucial steps towards mitigating our impact. The future of our planet depends on our ability to harness the power of technology while safeguarding the delicate balance of the natural world.